I'm super excited to share some great news with you about our Gary the Water Guy YouTube channel. In fact, 3 big things. You'll learn about an event that's taking place later on today. You'll learn about a great new way that you can influence the content on our YouTube channel, and you'll learn how to win this great bucket tool organizer we'll be giving away later on today, and you'll learn about this stuff right now. Hi, I'm Gary the Water Guy, and I simplify water filtration to help you conquer crappy water. Today is February 29th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to be doing a live stream, and the topic's going to be water softener Q&A. So what happens is you can tune in between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. and you can ask questions, and I'll answer them live right here on YouTube. It's a great new way. I mean, there's lots of live streams taking place now. Everybody's doing it, but for me, this will be my first one. And so what I did was on our community tab on our YouTube channel, a few weeks ago, I put a poll. And on that poll, I asked what topic you'd like to see first. And you voted, and the topic that won was water softener Q&A. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to be doing another one. It's going to be on April the 4th, I believe, yes, at 1 p.m. That's April the 4th, 2020, at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that one, we're going to be doing reverse osmosis Q&A. Now, in case you're watching this video after the live event, I'm going to have a link at the end of this video that takes you right to it, so you can still check it out and get all the great information that'll be shared at that time. So what topic would you like me to talk about on my YouTube videos? So during the live event, you'll be able to win this great tool bucket organizer. Not the tools, not the filters inside, not the bucket, just the blue part, the tool bucket organizer. I love these things, and this is what I use on a daily basis when I'm out doing service work. So you can have all your tools in here, but what I like is that you can also have the larger items like the filters and things like that at the top here. Super easy to carry, and of course once you've changed the filters and you've got the old filters, the wet ones, you can just put them inside the bucket and get rid of them for the house. So during the live stream today, that's going to be water softener Q&A. In addition to that, we're going to be asking you for submissions, ideas for upcoming YouTube topics that you'd like me to see me make a YouTube about, obviously on water filtration themed. And so what we're going to do, we're going to have a deadline at the end of March the 1st. So it's going to give you a little more than 24 hours to submit your submission. Again, we'd really like to see it during the live stream, but you can also submit it afterwards. So the deadline is going to be the end of the day on March the 1st. And from there, I'm going to take the best 3 of them and I'm going to post them onto the community tab on our YouTube channel. So what's a community tab? Well, if you go to my Gary the Water Guy YouTube channel, you can do that either on your smartphone or you can do that on your computer. So to get to the community tab on my channel, just go to YouTube, Gary the Water Guy, and then you'll see I come up here, just click it here. So this guy's going to start talking to you here if you haven't subscribed. And then here are the tabs across the top. Just click community. And then on the community tab, you'll see I'm talking about upcoming videos I have. I've got a few Giphies and some other content about new stuff that was coming up at that time. Thanking my subscribers, and then polls. So I'll be doing more and more polls in the future. This one here is the one that we used to decide which Q&A we're going to be doing first. So we just you folks voted, and water softening Q&A scored the highest. So that's the one that we're doing first. So to get to the community tab from my channel on your smartphone, just go to YouTube. You can either open in the YouTube app or just in your browser, and then at the top here, just search for Gary the Water Guy, and then from there it takes you to my channel. Just click on that. You'll see the channel here. Scroll across the tabs and you'll see community tab. Just click there, and again, it's the same information that you can get to with your desktop, of course, including with the polls, and you can vote on the polls when you're ready. If you click on the community tab, that's where that's the third piece of big news that I have today to share with you, is that it's a great way for me to link with you and to get feedback from you on what I'm doing. So on there, I post various different things. I post a few GIFs, and that's where I put the poll to determine what topic we're going to deal with. So there's going to be lots of new polls coming in the future, and I really appreciate you voting on those polls, and that way you can influence the topic that we talk about on my YouTube channel. It's also a great place to get information about upcoming videos and about other topics. And like I say, I'll put some outtakes on there and some other fun stuff that you can check out on a weekly basis. And if you've subscribed to our video, then you can put if you mash the bell, you'll be notified when that content comes up. Don't worry, I won't be uploading it daily. It might be 1 or 2 a week or even 1 or 2 a month. Just see how it works out. So be sure to check out and participate in our live stream event today, February 29th, 2020, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. And after the event, you can check out all the information that was shared here, and I'll see you there. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please add them down below. I read every single one, and I'd love to respond and help you.